The MG QS 2025 is an exciting addition to the luxury electric vehicle market, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek, futuristic design. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this car stand out. From the moment you lay eyes on the MG QS 2025, it's clear this vehicle is all about luxury and performance. The exterior boasts a glossy, ultra-shiny black finish that reflects the modern aesthetics of the car. The aerodynamic design, along with sharp lines and a bold front grille, gives it an aggressive yet elegant presence on the road. Step inside, and the interior of the MG QS 2025 continues to impress. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout, creating a refined atmosphere. The dashboard is sleek with a digital display that offers easy access to all key functions. The seats are ergonomically designed to offer comfort, wrapped in luxurious fabrics and leather, ensuring both style and support for long journeys. When it comes to technology, the MG QS 2025 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with an advanced infotainment system, it offers seamless connectivity with your smartphone, as well as voice commands and real-time navigation. The car's intelligent driving assistance systems ensure a smooth and safe driving experience, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning. Under the hood, the MG QS 2025 offers impressive performance. Its electric powertrain delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience, with a remarkable range that puts it ahead of many competitors in its class. Charging is fast and efficient, and the car's regenerative braking system helps improve energy efficiency, making it a great option for both daily commutes and longer road trips. The MG QS 2025 is not just about performance and luxury, it also emphasizes sustainability. With zero emissions, it's an eco-friendly alternative to traditional petrol-powered vehicles, which aligns with the growing demand for environmentally conscious choices in the automotive industry. Overall, the MG QS 2025 is a standout electric sedan that offers a perfect balance of luxury, technology, and sustainability. Whether you're looking for a car with cutting-edge tech, a refined interior, or simply a smooth driving experience, the MG QS 2025 has it all. If you're in the market for a luxury electric vehicle, this one is definitely worth considering.